In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a cash flow statement for opening your new business bank account using the Republic Bank template.
So the very first time that I attempted to do a cash flow, I just opened up an Excel spreadsheet and tried to piece together the information I assumed that they wanted, which would be like the sales versus the purchases, or rather the income versus the expenses. And I didn't even realize that they also have a template for the projected cash flow and a sample. So this is what I ended up using afterwards, and it makes it so much easier to be able to do, so you don't have to feel that much like overwhelmed like I did with all of these accounting financial statements that you need to present to the bank. Especially if it's a new business, everything is more or less projected, so nothing is really set in stone or have to be, or is possibly could be under audit or need like a professional person to do it, right? So if you look at the template here, on the bottom there's a guide detailing all the line items used in the projected cash flow above, and each sheet covers an entire year. The bank usually wants 3 years of a projected cash flow, so that would be 3 individual sheets, one for each year, right? So you can read the descriptions in the bottom to understand what each item under the cash received and the cash dispersed sections mean, so that you can now put in the amounts and the corresponding description relevant to your own business. Most of these things are straightforward and wouldn't change. For example, like the utilities, rent and mortgage payments, salaries, loan, cash injections, right? What will change is your particular products and services and the raw materials or the resources required for these products and services. You also don't have to worry about doing much calculations, because the template comes with built-in formulas, so that once you put in the amounts under the different sections, it's going to auto calculate like your net or loss after you are finished inputting all your figures, so you don't need to worry about that. And that's basically it. The financial guide handbook that I referenced in my other video about how to open your business bank account would also have additional information on the different accounting jargon and terminology that is being used. If the description in the sample of the projected cash flow isn't clear enough for you, you can find deeper information in that resource. So
once you have completed your cash flow statement, you can easily open your new business bank account by following the detailed tutorial coming up next.